have been pretty easy numbers, so we haven't really typed them in. But if you do that, then you can go and look for all the whole numbers. 1 and 8, 2 and 4. The next one I see is 4 and 2. Okay, we already used those. So that's all there are. There's not a lot for 8. So it's 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay, and for Q, if it's 1, that makes it really easy. Okay, because you only have to pair these up with the one on the top and one on the bottom. Okay, then we pair them up. 1 over 1, okay, and that's going to give me positive 1 or negative 1. Okay, 2 divided by 1. Okay, it's going to give me positive 2 or negative 2. That's what that plus or minus means. Okay, that's 2 possibilities. 4 over 1, positive 4 or negative 4. And 8 over 1, positive 8 or negative 8. Okay, so these are all the possible zeros. Okay, and I'm going to write that here. This is what your answer would be for the possible zeros. Okay, not this part. This is not enough. Okay, that does not tell me all the things that I need to know. This tells me all the things I need to know. This is what your answer should be. Okay, and this is a good one because there's not that many. Okay, there's 4 numbers, positive or negative. So that's 8 possibilities. Positive 1, negative 1, positive 2, negative 2, positive 4, negative 4, positive 8, negative 8. Okay, 4 possibilities. And we're going to use synthetic division to simplify our problem further. Now, when I do synthetic, what number did I say I would always try to start with?
1.
1, right? 1, and that's one on our list, so I'm going to try to start with 1. And what numbers go up here?
1, 6, 7, 6,
Great. Okay. All right, so we're going to try 1, see if it works. Okay, I want you to take a minute, do synthetic division, bring down this first number, okay, and multiply. 1 times 1, put the answer here. Okay, then add. And you know how to do it. Take a minute to do that, see if it works. Okay, if it does work and you want to keep going and try another one, go for it. If it doesn't work, same story. All right, did 1 work?
No.
No or yes? I heard some no's and some yeses.
Yes.
All right, yes, it did work. Okay, the way you know is if you get a 0 right here. Okay, if you get no remainder, that means 1 is a factor. Right, well, x minus 1 is a factor, and 1 is one of our zeros. Okay, so x equals 1, that's one of our zeros. Okay, how many are we looking for total on here?
3.
All right, 4, right? To the 4th power, we're looking for 4 total. So x equals 1 is one of them. Okay, and then what I would keep trying to do is try another synthetic division, especially when we have so few things to choose from here. Okay, if there's like a million options, then maybe it's going to take forever. Okay, but if there's only a few up here, what do you want to do next? All right, I would try 2. Just start with the smaller numbers. That's usually easiest. And I'm going to start with what was left over so we can keep factoring it down and making it a smaller polynomial. Okay, all right, you're trying 2. All right, go ahead and see if 2 goes into it as well. You know how to do it, right? 2 times 1, put it there, then add. And I think everybody knows. If 2 doesn't work, then we can try another one.
Do you go 1, -5, 2, 8?
Yes, exactly. If it didn't work, y'all, that's a good question she's asking. If it didn't work, you start back with the same thing you started with. Okay, you don't move on to, because you don't have anything down here to work with. But I think 2 works. 2 times 1 is 2. Gives me -3. 2 times -3 is -6. -4. 2 times -4 is -8. Right, so 2 works, yes? Right, but if it didn't work, yes, you would start back with the same numbers that you started with here. Okay? All right, so 2. That's another one. Right, so Alvaro says he wants to try -2. Okay, let's try -2. Okay, we got just this left. All right, we'll try -2 with 1, -3, and -4. Two to -2 times 1, -2, -5, 2 to 6. All right, it's okay. That's what you're doing. It's guessing and checking. Okay, so -2 didn't work. Let's try another one. All right, that's on this list. Okay, -2 is on this list. What else was another one? 4. Let's try 4. Okay, and it works, Amaya says. She already went ahead and did it for us. Thank you, ma'am. All right, and you're right, it does work. I know. Okay, so bring down the 1. 4 goes into 1. 4 times 1, 4. That gives me 1, 4, 0. Okay, so 4 did work. All right, so you only had to do 1 that didn't work. Okay.